Before we begin, I want to ask you one question. What if the greatest secret in human history isn't who Christ was, but what Christ came to awaken within you? For thousands of years, humanity has debated religion, argued over doctrine, divided into denominations, and fought over names. Yet very few people stop to ask the question, what is Christ consciousness? Many people think Christ is simply Jesus' last name. It isn't. In Christianity, Jesus is called the Christ, meaning the Anointed One, a title rather than a surname. Across history, many theologians, mystics, and contemplatives have described following Christ as becoming transformed into Christ's likeness through love, humility, compassion, and obedience to God. Whether you approach this through faith, contemplation, or philosophy, the invitation is the same. To become more aligned with truth than with fear. Christ consciousness begins the moment you stop living only for the ego. The ego constantly asks, what do I get? What do people think about me? How do I protect myself? How do I become more important? The spirit asks something different. How can I love? How can I serve? How can I become more truthful? How can I become closer to God? Every human being experiences this tension every single day. Within every choice lies the opportunity to choose fear or love, selfishness or compassion, pride or humility, hatred or forgiveness. This inner transformation is one of the central themes of Jesus' teachings. The kingdom of God was described not merely as a distant destination, but as something that begins within the heart and shapes how we live. Imagine what the world would look like if more people lived this way. Imagine leaders driven by wisdom instead of greed. Businesses built on integrity instead of exploitation. Families choosing forgiveness instead of resentment. Communities choosing compassion instead of division. Christ consciousness is not escaping the world. It is bringing heaven's values into the way you live on earth. It changes the way you speak, the way you think, the way you respond when someone hurts you, the way you treat strangers, the way you care for creation, the way you carry yourself when nobody is watching. It is easy to love people who agree with you. It is much harder to love those who don't. This is where transformation begins. History remembers Jesus not only because of the extraordinary events recorded about his life, but because of the radical love he demonstrated. He challenged hypocrisy. He welcomed the outcast. He forgave those who forgave him. He forgave those who wronged him. He taught that greatness comes through serving others. Whether you are a lifelong Christian, someone exploring spirituality, or simply searching for meaning, those principles remain profoundly relevant. Every day gives us another opportunity to become more patient, more honest, more compassionate, more courageous, more loving. Perhaps awakening isn't about becoming someone else. Perhaps it's about removing everything that keeps us from living with truth, wisdom, and love. That journey doesn't begin tomorrow. It begins with the next decision you make. If this message resonated with you, support this mission by subscribing to the channel, leaving a like, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd also love to hear from you. What does Christ consciousness mean to you? Let's learn from one another with respect and an open heart. If you're ready to go much deeper, I've written 2 books designed to help you continue exploring these ideas. The 30-Day Awakening Challenge is a practical guide with daily exercises to help you build mindfulness, discipline, and spiritual reflection. The Universal Laws book explores timeless principles that many people use to better understand personal growth, responsibility, and the relationship between mindset and action. If you'd like to support my work and continue this journey, you can get both books by going to my profile, clicking the link tree, and selecting the challenge link and purchasing your copies. Your support helps me continue creating videos like this and sharing thoughtful conversations with people around the world. Thank you for being here. Keep seeking truth, keep growing in wisdom, keep choosing love, and never stop becoming the person God created you to be.